Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we say our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most start with today's news. On my mandatory spirit that they call Fabrizio Romano don't come outside and let us know say Edu Gaspar and Mikel Arteta go dey very busy in the next few days and the next hours because they don't focus on outgoings for Arsenal transfer. As they focus on that one finish, now they want to focus on the incomings. Even the outgoings, they never even focus on them finish. But now they are trying to see what they can do and see whether time can permit them to bring some players inside, because I'm waiting everybody to talk about. Don't forget that it was on the deadline day that we signed a Thomas Partey. It was on the deadline day that we signed a Tomiyasu. So this deadline day, though today's not the deadline day is tomorrow. And I think September 1, like the final, say at least if you don't register the player, you still have at least September 1 to finalize them. So that is where we'll be seeing the final day. After September 1, there is nothing again for you. So more to see how all these things go materialize, because many players they for their clubs, obviously they're ready to move. They're talking about a Tielemans who's destined to move to Arsenal. Whether it's going to be now, whether it's going to be January, that we're going to agree a pre-contract offer with him so that he can move in next summer as a free agent, we don't really know. Are we going for Cody Gakpo, Yeremy Pino, Zaha? What's going on, man? So we got to watch us everything in the bush. Then Fabrizio Romano said, come and let us know, say Everton don't offer 30 million euros for Michalo Mudryk, where they play for Shakhtar Donetsk. This guy now powerful winger and midfielder. The guy now versatile player. They say I'm the Ukrainian Neymar. So the guy they play very well. Everton don't run, go through with 30 million. They reject that. And Arsenal themselves just they monitor the guy. They consider their options with the guy. So I'm gonna go for this guy. I'm gonna go for this guy. Romano just let us know via cut offside. Let us know as it's in the sub. So I never know that Arsenal last will go for the guy. I mean, they will look for another person or just monitor all these things as they go, because anytime soon now, anything about transfer, it will just be over. So very soon. Also, you know the official West Ham don't sign Lucas Paqueta, guys, from Lyon. So Arsenal we won't go for this guy. They show interest. I don't say our technical director like the guy, but Arsenal no go for the guy because after that we do talk say in like we do come talk say we no get space for our midfield, because where this guy go play, many people the way they play that place. So there is no way to integrate them into that place. That was what happened. Well, but watch us everything to go, because we still need a defensive-minded midfielder. We still need it. Everybody knows it's something that the blind is visible to the blind and it's audible to the deaf. Nobody will talk say no. Even them Arteta, Edu Gaspar, Richard Garlic, all of them, they know say we need another midfielder and we need another winger. So we go see whether they go perform magic before the transfer window will shut down. At the same time, some pundits come and say, analyze Mikel Arteta playing for the month of August. They talk say Arteta may likely win the manager of the month of August, because Papa win all the matches, win everything when it's supposed to be winnable. The only match they come again for this same August 9, they all will play on Wednesday against an Aston Villa side. So if we knock them, it will come be 5-5. So I don't think say they get any better candidates. We go win that manager of the month. Even if he lose one, say at least for winning everything and trying all his best, coming back from behind to beat a Fulham side who drew Liverpool. So it will be very good. And they got to see that manager of the month award. Did they get course? When you just win like this, you just lose it. Yeah, they lose your next games. So I just pray to make it not be our portion. So not just the watch. I pray that I will win now in December. Then away from that, get one sad news when they come out from España, and this news now about Aubameyang. So they talk say 4 men, armed robbers, they go attack Aubameyang for his home. So they enter, they beat him, they tie him, they handcuff him in front of his wife and children. They come force him and go open his safe. So they open and they carry jewelry, carry money, carry many things. Last they can't find their square root. So the whole world they pray for him. So our thoughts are with Aubameyang and his family at this moment. But my problem can be say, with all the money he has, how come he has no private security? You are a celebrity for crying out loud. You are somebody of high status. So people go to envy. A lot of people want. And say Aubameyang a flashy person, drives Lamborghini, drive Crosstour, drive many powerful cars. You know, so many people will look you say, I wish I could collect, because you are living the privileged life that only a few people in the whole world can live. So what do you expect? You should have your own personal security. What if you say that they break into your house, they enter 4 men armed robbery gang? I can't understand that. I'm on TV, the boss my brain says the what's the news, I know the thinker. You get plenty money. No fee, get private security. The house where they live. I can't understand it. Let's get to they know they tell us. I've been an inside job. I can't really understand it. Tony Cascarino also don't come outside on the talk say Odegaard, they so gifted. You can say Odegaard 9B Arsenal's Kevin De Bruyne. You can see the way the guy they play, they make everybody they ahead of and they play better. Is it pass? Is it assist? Like the way Kevin De Bruyne of Man City, they see some kind of blind passes where they say you know go see and person gonna look this side, they tear pass go this side. And what see Baba they do? They go just look here before you know over the top pass don't come in. As in all his passes are accurate, like confirmed. The guy that's senior man number 10, the guy they play very, very well. And my prayer is making continue like this because we know say when Odegaard starts the season, he was not in top form. But now he don't hit the gear, don't enter gear 4 now, gear 5, before you know we enter 6, 7. That is what we are praying for. And I know somebody when they ask me about Fabio Vieira, I say what did they sub? I don't know whether the guy say they nurse in injury, I don't nurse and finish. Maybe they say it's coming from a different league. You get me? I just they try to integrate them. Jejely and wildly. Maybe now Europa League they go take him and welcome and never really know. But just the watch out. I'm about to find out the referee will be in charge of Arsenal's match versus Man U. So they're going to tell us that Paul Tierney now go take care of the match, and at the same time, now Lee Mason now go in charge of VAR. You get so I just pray to make we not get any controversial incidents for that match. Make everything just go well, fairly. You get 50-50. You get make everything go normal. Don't go support any side. No one do anyhow. Because we do anyhow, I will see anyhow. Everything just go well, sha. Ramsey self don't come outside and let everybody know say he don't be very, very happy now. See Arsenal don't they play under pressure, and when you check the way they play, like especially against that Fulham, after we scored that 2-1 for 85 minutes, I thought I can try to lock up everywhere. I thought I can see we get like 5 centre backs when they play that match. Remember, see Gabriel Magalhaes did for the match already. Saliba did the match. They imagine Rob Holding, imagine Ben White. That's how many centre backs already. Then they can imagine Tomiyasu. But those who don't know, Tomiyasu can play as a centre back also, as a right back. It's very, very versatile. But those who don't know, so imagine that kind of back line. I'm just saying just like this now. I say nothing they happen. You just watch the big boys and what they shoot at me say all of them they above 6'3". So they are big boys. They just did there. Anything cross and not amount. That is why it is very, very hard to score a corner against an Arsenal side because gone are the days when we did Super Lenge, you know, the bullies. Now we have big boys in the team. You can look at the Saliba, look at the Gabriel Magalhaes. They are arguably taller than all our oppositions anytime we will play. How many people top pass them for the league? Saliba top pass Gabriel Magalhaes. Saliba top pass Virgil van Dijk. Just imagine that kind of thing. You know how Virgil van Dijk be now, will be like giant. Saliba top passer. So maybe they know say forget say Saliba don't get build. So the guy just the lanky. He top passer. So we have big boys now. So imagine that kind of our setup. So I'm very happy for the way. I think I done the bulk up the team. Don't make sure say we now we go to bully others. So the others go to bully us again. A part of the team make us capitulate last season now. All those kind of Newcastle they give us physical game, they bully us up and down. But now it cannot happen again. Marco Asensio don't come outside from media set where they call the interview Baba. So Baba can talk say in the past, they focus in game on Ozil because he like the way Ozil they play. See, I used to focus a lot on Ozil. He has a lot of quality and a very elegant style of play. Then like the way Ozil they play. That time now when Ozil they for Real Madrid, before Ozil come Arsenal. So I don't know whether this one I call him make and they feel say he won't go join Arsenal because I know see them they offer him to English clubs like Arsenal, Manchester United. Now man you don't buy Anthony just finished in medical yesterday, so I believe saying that only Arsenal will they go for him. I be Chelsea side go feel involved because Chelsea that one had to hijack right then they desperate. Anybody they see anywhere where they see say one deal don't happen, they'll come there cause I bet how much with this deal more will hijack out. So much of the watch that. Today, tomorrow, many things go happen. Just they alert me. Today, tomorrow, I will just stay close to my phone. They monitor all my monitoring spirits. They know what they saw. So as the end, I will display for now. Just they give us, they fall in. So everybody go there updated. If anything happen, I will let you know because Sky Sports 247 they go there for all these things. They will send all their agents, go everywhere. They collect reports. How far? What did they saw? Give me reports. Well, I will let you know as they saw. Our Fabrizio Romano self don't come outside again. Can they let us know? Say Zaha agents they explore options for him. You know, say Zaha get 1 year left on his contract, and this is one of the reasons why Crystal Palace they willing to sell him if an offer comes in, because they know say after he finish this in contract he may not sign an extension, because he himself won't win something for a future. He won't win something. And this guy, I think in the past he went to Man U, he didn't go where, he came back to Crystal Palace. So now he's going to be joining. Maybe Arsenal may go for him. I don't really know, because they say Edu Gaspar they prepare a 3-year blueprint for him. So they won't go for him. How possible or how feasible that is, I can't really tell. But all I know say Chelsea at the moment, as we do like this now, they interested in signing Zaha. Chelsea are desperate. They are panic buying. They don't buy anybody. Nobody say, I don't know. Their plan don't scatter. They don't know what they do. They don't have a 9 already. So they are just trying to bring in Aubameyang, trying to bring in any other. Now only Sterling, they make things happen for them. Now look at last match. They color red card, and now Sterling collect them knock 2 goals back. Apart from Sterling, they go suffer. This season, Chelsea they will do like this. They go suffer, and they get many competition where they play. Sterling cannot play all the matches now, so we go suffer. So I never know how it will be for Zaha. But then Chelsea will sign up last. But then Arsenal will sign up, I never really know. But just the watch. But many things will solve. Laura Woods, wey be Arsenal fans, wey dey work for Talk Sports, don come as I come dey attack the celebration police. So babe come dey talk say many people dey pay to watch football, you get, and as they pay to watch football, they pay to enjoy everything. Why you go dey tell people say make dem no celebrate? Which guy? So if person celebrate now, they go come dey gauge the weight of the celebration. Say this kind of celebration, e be like title celebration, or this one no be normal celebration. No, make you no celebrate like this. So if you wan celebrate, no too shout very small, make it not too loud. Shout no. Which kind talk be that one? Leave people, let them celebrate. People pay to come to. Okay, go to look fans now when they celebrate. Come to say fans they celebrate like say they don't win titles. No, they no pay not free. They pay to enter the stadium to come and enjoy the game. Celebration is part of enjoying the game. So if person will score, making them celebrate, making them quiet. I mean, as in the babe just blast that Richard Keys when they talk say and the Grey. Richard Keys and the Grey when they talk say Arsenal celebrated too much. Make all the time say this celebration no be say it did. No, it's not even about Fulham. The celebration about the fact that we did a mistake and we scored one, we scored another goal, and the fact that we don't do back to back 100% winning, and the fact that last season we lose our first 3 back. This season now we give people our first 4 back. Don't you gonna tell me that? Say they don't celebrate the first 4 100% winnings. Something a whole Man City or even Liverpool, they no feel achieve. Now we Arsenal we achieve. I can't say we don't celebrate. They whine me. They whine states. Someone put this point is sometimes I dey wish say I dey dey for that studio with them where they go dey make all this kind of blunders. Make I dey clear them, make I dey let them know, make I dey put them in their place. Say we say make people no celebrate. Thanks to Laura Woods, just put the guy for him place. At the same time, Laura Woods come dey talk say we no dey talk say we won't win the league, you get. But one thing be say we are enjoying a perfect run now. So we will continue to enjoy them while it lasts, because in the EPL you are one game, you are a loss, as in losing they come anytime. Like they for the corner, they wait for you. You can lose at any time, because EPL anything can happen. You know if you talk say okay I go win all my games, say as they win now. One loss, if they wait for us for the corner. Get now they talk say we know they talk about winning the league, and many people they envy us, and this month they go talk say Arsenal cannot win the league. Here we tell you so we won't win the league. We are not saying I want to win the league. Let us enjoy our games. Like Ateta said, one game at a time. Even Ateta said, use a man talk and say every team is going to suffer at one point in the league. People don't suffer their own suffer now. Who will never they suffer? So our own suffer they wait for us for front. My mom be say if our own suffer time come, make it not that long, make it just be 1 or 2 games. We don't want an extended period like we will lose back like last season. They lose back to back. They lose like 3 games before we can't get ourselves. That is what I don't want. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. Go to the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I get out.